So hey guys, my dear Yar element like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see in this reading we are going to see about a no contact situation, like what is happening in your love life, and as well as your person channel messages will we are going to check in for this July month, particularly for this July month. Okay, so this reading can be resonated with all the air element like Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's start the reading now. Oh, that is a lot of jumping cards, by the way. Wow, romantic love affair. It's a very beautiful card, by the way. I really love this card. Anyway, let's see what kind of a messages we are getting. Okay, wants you back. This is also I'm seeing in this bottom of the deck. So I think your person wants to do some kind of a reconciliation with you because I think they are missing you a lot. Some kind of a strong realization or some kind of a strong reconciliation energies I can see from your person end. Okay, so the first card we get a romantic love affair, like bottom of the deck we get, and the next card we get love on the brine, and the next card we get a karmic friends. Okay, karmic friends, and the next card we get a jackpot, legal issues, and the next card we get an always partying. So guys, I can clearly see that if at all there is some kind of an there may be some kind of an issues with any kind of an third party peoples, because with this love on the brain and with the karmic friends and with the legal issues, I can see that if at all this person may choose other person over you, or else this person may listen other person advices towards your relationship. Now this person is feeling very much regret because of their decision. Okay, so whoever you are dealing with right now, so overall your person energy is be like an lonely, and maybe this person maybe this person do have some kind of an alcoholic addiction. With this always partying energy, I can see that this person is taking some kind of an alcoholic things as well, like some kind of a drugs and alcoholic. So this person is overall feeling left out in a cold. This person is feeling very very lonely. This person is feeling some kind of an this person is feeling some kind of an toxic towards their decision, whatever the decision they have been taken it before. Okay, because I can see some kind of a third party influence may also been happen in this relationship to ruin your connection in the past. To ruin a connection in the past. With the legal issues and the karmic friends, I can clearly see that there may be some kind of a strong disturbance from the third party. Either it could be their friends, or either it could be their family members. So the decision which your person have been taken, they know that they are realizing now they have taken some kind of a bad decision in their life, and they are feeling very much toxic. They are feeling very much cold energy. They are feeling left out in a cold. Their energy is be like very very low energy. And for some kind of a people, there may be some kind of a chances, if at all you are going through some kind of a divorce kind of a process, because I can see your relationship was be stable and grounded. Due to this third party influence, your there may be some kind of an karmic things have been involved in your relationship. There may be a lot of ups and downs. There may be some kind of a breakup kind of situation. You guys are in a separation. So I can see that energy as well here. Okay, so I think you guys were had some kind of an happy relationship with your person, but anyway there is some kind of a third party influence. So that's the reason this relationship has been ruined. Maybe some kind of for some kind of the people, the third party could also be related to the money. Okay, third party could also be related towards their money. For some kind of a money purpose, this person may ignore you. They maybe choose some kind of a career, or maybe focus their status or something like that. Due to some kind of a financial issues also, this person may neglect you on the past. but right now they are not happy with their decision. In if at all it be like any court cases or any kind of a marriage kind of divorce kind of a process, now this person wants to do some kind of a reconsideration about their situation, because they know that if at all they leave you, they will be in this energy, because they are daydreaming about those things which you have been spent on the past, which you have been if at all you guys are closure in the past. So they are missing those energy, they are missing those thing in their life. They want now, they want that love, they want that care in their life now. So that's the reason this person will do consider whatever the situation, if it is could be a divorce kind of a situation also. Now this person will take some kind of a stand towards you. Okay, now this person will take some kind of a stand, some kind of a lead towards you. And with the jackpot thing, I can see that there may be some kind of a financial improvement will also come on your both the ways. If at all this person may left you due to the financial issues, now this person have heavy chances to fix their financial things, and now they will come and communicate with you. Okay, and overall I can see that whatever the third party things which has been disturbed in the past, now this person will be release those things, and now this person wants to connect with you. Now this person wants to stay with you, they want to have a happy life with you. So that's why we have get that like romantic love affair, and as well as like always partying. Now this person wants to celebrate the moment with you, now this person wants to reunite, now this person wants to give you the actual commitment for this relationship. So there may be heavy chances that this person will call and text messages you, and as well as this person, congratulations for the year element. There may be some kind of a heavy chances that this person will give you a commitment. Okay, they will give you some kind of a commitment offer. If at all you guys are be in this kind of a state, you guys are missing your person, I can see that clearly that this person will bring some kind of a balance in this situation. Okay, some kind of a balance and improvement in this situation. So overall I can see that there may be some kind of an family gatherings, or there may be some kind of a meetup, there may be some kind of a gathering moment will be happening with your person in this July month. And especially if at all you are looking for the marriage commitment offer from this person, there may be heavy chances that this person give you some kind of a commitment, a solid strong commitment. Either it could be a love commitment, or else it could be a marital commitment, marriage commitment, whatever it could be. If such cases you are going through any kind of a divorce kind of a process, this person will do reconsider it, because they don't want to be alone in their life. They want you, they need you, they are scared, be scared, they are too scared to leave you. Okay, so I think you must bringing you and your person to be closure. There may be some kind of a strong soulmate energy, I can feel it here. So that is a strong long-term relationship, long-term commitment will be possible with this person. So let's see about your person channel or message as well for the yard sign. So the last message we get, reach out, number 1. Yes, what I have been said, this person will come and communicate with you guys. This person wants you in their life. Okay, they want you in their life. That is some very clear messages. Just a minute, let me take the cards. So what I have been said with this card, I have been clearly mentioned you that this person will definitely come and reconcile. This person definitely want you in their life. So that's the reason we get the reach out card here. And the next card we get, I think we should slow down. Okay, so this person definitely wants to do some kind of an this person definitely wants to bring some kind of a balance. So that's the reason they are saying you that I think we should slow down. So rather than fighting with each other, rather than being like and left out in a cold, rather than being some kind of an argument, some kind of misunderstanding, this person wants to take a balance, a very smooth kind of a balance energy. So this person, again we get a message again, love me. Okay, so now this person is saying that don't hate them due to their past mistake, because this person do realize now, this person do feel those kind of a regretness. So that's the reason this person is saying them like give them a chance, so love them. Okay, because they are loving you back. I'm addicted to you, what I've been said. This person is feeling very lonely. This person is feeling very lonely. They are daydreaming about you. So that's again the confirmation, like, love me, I'm addicted to you. So exact the same message which I've been said before. Exact the same messages which I have been said before. This is again the confirmation. So the next card we get a no. If at all you are thinking that this person, like if at all this person choose any kind of a third party over you, no. Now this person won't listen any third party here. Okay, they only listen you, because they need you. I want to get you drunk. What I haven't said, maybe that this again a confirmation. I haven't said that this person is drinking because of you, because they need you in their life. So that's the reason they are to release their stress. They are drinking. So again, I can see that this person wants you to that you also need to be drunk with them. Okay, because they want to celebrate the moment, because they want to celebrate the happy moment with you. It's not like it will be like a gathering or something like that. It's be like this person and you will have those kind of an happy moment, some kind of a partying, some kind of an happy moment, spending some quality time with each other. So that energy I'm seeing here. Time to ground yourself. Yes, again. So I think this person is feeling that you maybe act very cold, you maybe act very rude. So that's the reason this person is saying that you should need to be peace and calm down with them. Okay, this is their request. And the last message we get, my life started when I met you. Okay, again, yeah, this is again the confirmation with the previous messages which I have been said you. Now this person have been come into those relationship. Now this person wants you. This is again a beautiful confirmation that my life started when I met you. So again, yeah, so this person definitely feels some kind of a soulmate vibration, soulmate energy from your side. So that's the reason now they are coming back in your life. Okay, so overall for the yard sign, I just feel very happy. It is a very beautiful reading, by the way, for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. If at all there may be some kind of a problems you guys are facing, any kind of a problem in your love relationship, marital relationship, divorce kind of a process, whatever the condition could be, I think some kind of a good improvement will be there. Your person will try to understand you and your person will try to communicate with you. Okay, so I hope this could be resonated with you, and I hope this could be give you some kind of a clarity for you. Okay, yes, exactly. In this July month, this person will come and communicate. There may be some kind of a strong chances. If at all you guys are in a defensive mode, please don't be in a defensive mode. Try to be understand your person, like what they are trying to say to you. Okay, so I think that will bring some kind of an improvement, where you also looking some kind of a balance towards this person. So you should need to be value a person as well. You should need to understand your person as well. Okay, so rather than being in a cold energy, if at all you have some kind of an irritation, or if at all you have some kind of a tense energy towards your person, please leave your ego on the side and try to communicate with this person properly. Okay, and try to understand about this person, because now this person is actually apologizing you and actually want to stay with you. Okay, don't spoil your relationship, guys. Don't spoil your relationship. Give them a chance, give them a second chance, or give them a third chance, whatever it could be. But now this person will definitely prove their love towards you. They are feeling that soulmate vibe. Okay, so yeah, these are your messages for the air sign for Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I hope it can be resonated with you. I hope you may get some kind of a clarity. If at all you like the reading, if at all it gives you some kind of a clarity, so please give your like, share and subscribe. Please give a thumbs up to this video. And as well as, guys, if at all your friends may like any kind of a tarot readings, please do recommend my tarot reading to them. And if at all you want some kind of any personal reading, you can reach out either on my WhatsApp number, or else you can reach out on my Instagram. So both the detail will be given in the highlight pinned comment. You can please check with that. And as well as if at all you want to learn any kind of a tarot reading, so you can join on my classes, because I'm teaching both basic and advanced classes. So for more details, you can again which could be convenient for you, you can either reach out on my WhatsApp, or either you can reach out on my Instagram account. Okay, so see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye. Please give your support, because your each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot. So please give your support, guys. Please give your like, share, subscribe. Yeah, see you guys in the next reading. Until that, take care, love you all, bye bye, sign, bye bye.